Megan, why is there water outside?
Mum, something is really wrong.
This doesn't look normal at all.
My shoes are already wet.
I can hear water inside the house.
I feel scared, Mum.
Stay close behind me.
There is so much water here.
It's coming out very fast. Move back.
Our things are floating around.
Stay near me.
The sound is so loud.
It is coming from over there. We need him awake right now.
Dad, wake up. There is water everywhere.
Mike, come on. We really need you.
Please wake up, Dad. The water is rising fast.
What is happening?
Mike, wake up. The whole house is full of water.
Oh no. What happened here?
Dad, the kitten.
Wait, I will take it.
Thank you, Dad. That was so close.
Do you hear that sound? It is coming from the bathroom.
Let us go check. The faucet is still running.
Turn it off before it gets worse.
Okay, I am doing it now.
The water is not draining.
Something is blocking it.
Oh, there is a towel stuck inside the drain.
Oh no, I did not expect this to happen.
Let us dry everything as much as we can.
Yes, we need to be more careful next time.
Why is there still so much water?
I think I left the faucet on before.
You left it on? That explains everything.
I am really sorry, everyone. I did not mean to cause this.
Will everything be okay now, Dad?
Yes, I will fix it, step by step. I promise.
Let us start cleaning now.
This is really hard, Dad.
I know, but we will do it together.
Do not worry, Mum. I will help too.
Megan, be careful with the dishes. We are almost done. Just a bit more.
Yes, it already looks better.
The floor is finally getting dry.
Yes, much better now. Good teamwork. Everyone did a great job today.
Really good teamwork.
Megan, is this your cat?
I was thinking we could make dinner at home.
Yes, Mum. We can help you.
Mike, you should not drive after drinking.
Do not worry. I will not drive tonight.
Maybe we should just eat out today.
It will be easier.
Let us find a place nearby.
I know a nice restaurant close to here. Megan, sit properly, okay?
I will relax while you drive.
Do not worry. Everything is fine.
Look, Mum. The puddles are glowing.
Yes, the rain left beautiful reflections everywhere.
I like this quiet moment after the storm.
Me too. It feels clean and fresh.
Mum, look. The flowers are so bright and colourful.
Yes, even after all the water at home.
This day ended better than we thought. Perfect. I can stretch my legs now.
I am really hungry, Mom.
Me too. Let us go inside.
It looks warm and comfortable.
Yes, it is perfect for tonight.
Welcome. Here is your table.
Let us order something light today.
Sounds good. I trust you.
Mom, there are so many dishes here.
Yes, take your time. I think I will choose something simple.
That is a good idea.
Mom, can we get shrimp? It looks delicious.
Yes, shrimp is a great option.
You really love shrimp, do you not?
Yes, it is my favorite.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready. We would like 1 shrimp dish, please.
Sure. Anything else?
I will take some soup and brie bread.
Sounds great.
That will be all, thank you.
Your food will be ready soon.
I am very hungry after today.
Me too. It was such a long day.
I did not expect the house to flood like that.
It was really stressful.
Dad, were you very sleepy earlier?
Yes, I was too tired and not careful. Thank you for understanding.
It is okay. We fixed everything together.
We are a good team, right?
Yes, we always support each other. That is a good promise.
Next time, I will be more careful.
The street is still wet outside.
Yes, the rain stopped not long ago.
Did you enjoy helping clean the house?
It was difficult, but I actually liked helping.
You did an amazing job today.
Thank you, Mom. I'm really tried. I hope the food comes soon.
It should be ready very soon.
My stomach is growling.
That means you are really hungry.
I can already smell the food.
Yes, it smells so good.
Your food is ready.
Thank you.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Wow, it looks so delicious.
Let us start eating.
Here, Megan, try some shrimp.
Thank you, Mom. It looks really tasty. Wow, it is so good.
Eat slowly. It is still hot.
Okay, I'll be careful.
This soup tastes great.
Mom, my throat feels strange.
What do you mean, sweetie?
It feels itchy inside.
Maybe you ate too fast.
Are you okay, Megan?
I am not sure. It feels really weird. Mom, look at my arm.
This does not look right.
It might be an allergic reaction.
It is getting itchier.
Do not scratch it. Let me clean your hands first.
It still feels uncomfortable.
Maybe it is because of the shrimp.
Yes, it could be seafood allergy.
Why is this happening?
It is okay. We are here with you.
Stay calm. We will take care of everything.
I am starting to feel scared.
I will call for help.
Yes, please do it fast.
Is everything all right?
My daughter may be having an allergy.
Could you bring wet wipes?
Yes, I will bring them right away.
Mum, will I be okay?
Yes, you will. I promise.
Help is coming. Just stay calm.
We are right here. Thank you. Let me try this. Does it feel better now?
Not really. It still itches. Mum, it is getting worse.
Oh no, this is serious.
We should not wait any longer.
Yes, we need to leave now.
So we are going to the hospital right now.
Okay, Dad.
I will get the car ready.
Hurry, we need to go.
Stay awake, Megan. Keep talking to me.
I will drive as fast as I can, but safely.
Yes. Let us go to the nearest hospital.
We are here. Come on, quickly.
Megan, stay with me, okay?
My daughter need help. Now!
Please take her this way.
It is okay, Megan. You are safe now.
I feel scared, Mum.
Let me check her condition. This looks like a strong allergic reaction.
Is it serious, Doctor?
Do not worry, we can treat it quickly.
Thank you, Doctor. Please help her.
This medicine will help you feel better.
Will the itching stop?
Stay calm. It will start working soon.
Okay. I trust you, Mum. It feels a little better now.
That is a good sign, sweetie. That was really frightening.
I feel so relieved now.
She is responding well to the treatment.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
She may be allergic to seafood.
We did not know that before.
Does that mean I cannot eat shrimp anymore?
For now, you should avoid it.
We will be more careful next time.
Yes. We will check everything she eats.
I feel much better now.
I am so glad to hear that.
You were very brave today.
I was really scared.
It is okay to feel scared sometimes.
But now I am okay.
Please keep an eye on her tonight.
Yes. We will follow your advice.
Let us go home and get some rest.
Yes. I feel very tired.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes. Much better.
We will always take care of you, sweetie.
Thank you for helping me.
We are finally home.
Let us go inside slowly.
Oh, the kitten is here.
I think it missed you.
I missed you too, little kitty.
It looks really happy to see you.
I'm very glad everything is fine now.
Yes, it was a big lesson today. And I will be more careful at home.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night. Have sweet dreams.
Thank you for staying strong today.
We did it together. Everything feels peaceful now.
Yes, just the way it should be.